Okay, day 8, still on Koh Tao. Yesterday had a moment, not gonna lie, but today is a new day, my son. I've got a plan which I think is gonna be sick. Got myself fried cashew, nice little rice, and I've got an espresso and a flat white, because that's how I'm feeling. I'm feeling like I wanna get shit done. Right, I'm not joking. I've gone and lost my bike key. I've looked in all these pockets, it's not in there. What the f***, mate, where is it? It's in my pocket. Right, so that was sick. We're at Koh Tao Lodge, which is like a luxury, badass resort. Check-in's at 2 o'clock. It's now midday, so I'm going to try and pretend like I'm staying here, hang out by the pool for 2 hours, and then just do one. Shout out Stan. He's been begging me for a shout out for days. Excuse me, brother. Excuse me. Hello. I'm checking in later on today.
Ah, in India.
Is the swimming pool?
Yeah, swimming pool.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Just over there, yeah? Phase 1 complete. Gain a friend. If I need to, he can just get me out of it. Hello? Wow. Look at this place. It's ridiculous. Right, anyway, let's get changed.
It's a small place.
Yeah, it's it. Are you the owner?
No, I manage the place.
Ah, okay, nice. I'm Tom.
Gami. Yes.
Where can I get changed?
But we don't allow no guests to be in the pool.
Don't want to stay here anyway. Way too snooty for my liking. That's the one, mate. I'm checking in later on.
Yeah.
But it's okay if I just hang out here for a bit and then check in later.
Yes.
Yeah? Amazing. Thank you, brother. Thank you. He who dares, Rodders. He who dares. We're at 111 subscribers. Last night, my last video went viral. Well, I mean, it got about 500 views overnight. I mean, for me, that's pretty decent, but all the really positive stuff, like, you know, I had a fella from Australia comment earlier, you know, somebody saying they really like my vibe on one of the other videos. But a couple of dickheads. The less said about them, the better. I'm glad that some of you are, you know, really liking my stuff. It actually genuinely means a lot. Thank you very much, guys. This one's for you. Tell you what, he made some splash. Fair play. Big bloke. So I was just being a massive pussy. You see this jump over here? I wasn't going to do it, but then my new friend Julian, he said, I'll do it if you do it. And so we're doing it. Right, let's go. Let's go. Oh my god, mate, I'm actually proper scared now.
We will survive.
You think?
Yeah. I hope.
Oh god. It's pretty slippery. 2 ropes. Ow. The camera's getting battered. Oh mate, that was full on.
I think I could have been a bit more descriptive of how to get up.
Oh, no, you were cool, man. You were cool. I really appreciate it.
Here we go.
Oh, right, I never jump off stuff, so this is ridiculously high.
I've been jumping off this. So.
Do you like lean forward and stuff when you jump, or?
I jump out
Yeah.
but then I try to lean straight.
Alright, cool.
Yeah, you don't want to be leaning over too much,
No.
so your impact will be on your head.
Right, okay.
But I'm no expert. So
Alright, fair enough.
it's going to be hectic, but you got this.
Alright, bro.
Alright, ready?
Nice one. Hell, I'm literally shitting it so hard. Oh, mate, this is scary. Okay, confidence. Confidence. Me, I'm just gonna have to do it. Yo, bro. I'm proper scared. Hey?
You want it?
Yeah. That was intense. Nice one. That was. I mean, that's really cool, bro. It's easy.
Yeah.
Yes, bro. Yeah.
Nice one.
Well done.
Get it there.
Nice one.
So yeah, that was cool. But look at this. Gashed it right up. There's loads of blood on top of that rock. Julian made it look so easy. He was there, like he's on like abseiling up, and then I'm there, like basically crawling on my hands and knees. Oh, bro. So me and the boys, we've got Charlie and Julian. We're gonna go on a little trip on our trusty steeds.
Nice setup there.
Sick, innit?
Yeah. That looks much nicer, that right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You guys not wearing helmets?
Oh, nah.
God. Safety first. Julian, man, you're a bit crazy on that bike.
Crazy.
Yeah, like you're zigzagging through all kinds of traffic.
Yeah, you did do some ridiculous,
That was sick though.
very dangerous.
Whoa, just a little rooster. Oh, look what I've bumped into down here. I'm trying to see if I can remember your names. Is it like Julian? No, you're Julian. It was like Livette or something, Gillette or something.
T.
Tivet. Tuvet. Okay. God, man, that's not bad. Tuvet. Okay. And
What's mine?
I know yours, Pepe.
Yeah.
Because I'll tell you why. I saw some guy this morning. It's going to sound really bad, but I was like, Pepe. And
It's a black guy.
yeah, yeah, but like not just because like a black guy. You guys look similar, like same haircut, same
Handsome.
height. Yeah, hot as.
Okay, yeah.
You know.
You're excused.
Yeah, thanks. Right. Anyway.
Yeah, we remember yours.
What is it?
Chocolate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
True. Damn. Yeah! So, what a difference a day makes. It was this time yesterday that I was in the most amazing looking place, watching the sunset, but like feeling so alone and just so depressed and just like really did my head in, that I considered just packing all of this in and, you know, but no. Second day on Koh Tao, it's been good. I've met some good people, had a lot of fun. It's just been good, and yeah, everything just looks brighter. So like and subscribe.